Bitcoin just dropped over 3.5% and Ethereum crashed nearly 7%. But what's really happening behind the scenes? Today, I'm revealing the three hidden forces that could either send crypto plummeting further or trigger a massive recovery, including one development that nobody is talking about. What's up, Crypto Pulse Nation? This is Moonward Capital bringing you the latest insights that keep you ahead of the crowd. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss these critical market updates. Today's flash update is packed with breaking developments that could completely reshape your crypto strategy. So let's dive right in. Let's start with what's happening right now in the market. Bitcoin has dropped 3.57% to $84,139. Ethereum is down a painful 6.68% to $1,888. And Solana has fallen 6.82% to $129.90. Nearly all sectors are in the red, with Layer 2S down 2.60% and DeFi dropping 1.08%. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 37, firmly in fear territory. But here's what's critical. Today we have a massive $16.50 billion Bitcoin options expiry and $14.40 billion Ethereum options expiry. This is one of the largest options expiry events of 2025, creating significant market pressure. But wait, there's more happening than just crypto-specific events. Trump's announcement of 25% tariffs on car imports has sent shockwaves through global markets, triggering fears of potential trade wars. This macro pressure coincides with today's PCE inflation data release, creating a perfect storm of uncertainty. It's no surprise we're seeing this volatility. Meanwhile, gold continues hitting new all-time highs, reaching $3,089, up 1% today while crypto struggles. This divergence tells us something important about the current risk appetite in markets. Now, for the development that could change everything, the SEC has formally terminated civil enforcement actions against Kraken, Consensus, and Cumberland DRW with prejudice. This is huge. With prejudice means the SEC can't prosecute these firms again on the same grounds. This signals a major shift in regulatory approach under Trump's administration. Paul Atkins, Trump's SEC chair nominee who holds approximately $6 million in crypto-related assets, has confirmed digital assets as a priority focus and promises transparent operations with clear regulatory rules. This regulatory clarity could be the catalyst that brings institutional investors back to the market in force. But we can't ignore the drama unfolding in the DeFi world. Hyperliquid is implementing a major risk management overhaul following the controversial Jelly token incident. They'll compensate Jelly long position holders at a price of 0.037555 while implementing stricter account value limits, dynamic open interest caps, and a validator-controlled asset delisting mechanism. This controversy intensified when Binance and OKX listed Jelly futures immediately after Hyperliquid delisted it, showing the growing competition between centralized and decentralized exchanges. The fallout has been severe. Hyperliquid's TVL has dropped from $540 million to just $180 million, with USDC outflows exceeding $340 million since the incident. Now for something completely different. Have you noticed the Studio Ghibli AI trend taking over social media? This viral sensation has created a crypto opportunity that's absolutely exploding. The Ghibli token has surged nearly 49% in the last 24 hours, reaching a $32 million market cap with over $132 million in trading volume. One lucky investor who purchased 10.4 million Ghibli for just $1,140 is now sitting on 196x returns worth $224,000. But OpenAI has had to implement rate limits on ChatGPT's image generation due to overwhelming demand, showing the infrastructure challenges as AI adoption accelerates. Before I share my analysis on where the market is headed next, comment below with your prediction for Bitcoin's price by the end of the week. I'll be responding to comments in the first hour after this goes live. So, what should we be watching for in the coming days? First, the impact of today's massive options expiry. Historically, we often see price stabilization after these events resolve. Second, the EU MiCA stablecoin deadline hits on March 31st, just 3 days away, potentially creating significant disruption as exchanges delist non-compliant stablecoins for European users. Third, Barachain's TVL has reached an impressive $3.3 billion, closing in on becoming a top 5 chain by total value locked. This ecosystem growth could create investment opportunities even in a challenging market. Fourth, GameStop has announced plans to raise $1.3 billion for Bitcoin purchases, joining the corporate treasury trend pioneered by MicroStrategy. Looking at the charts, Bitcoin is testing critical support at $83,500, with resistance at $87,000. The 4-hour chart shows increased volume suggesting heightened volatility ahead. For Ethereum, breaking below the psychological $2,000 level is concerning, but negative funding rates at -0.0018 suggest potential for a short squeeze if sentiment improves. The Solana chart shows support at $125 with resistance at $135, and its funding rate is also negative at -0.0025, indicating possible short-term oversold conditions. So what does all this mean for your crypto strategy? My base case is that we'll see 7-10 days of consolidation as the market digests the options expiry and tariff concerns. Bitcoin will likely maintain a range between $83,500 and $88,000 with mixed funding rates. However, if Trump's tariff implementation details on April 2nd are worse than expected, we could see a deeper correction with Bitcoin potentially testing the $78K, $80K range. On the bullish side, if SEC case terminations improve sentiment and GameStop's Bitcoin purchase validates corporate adoption, we could see Bitcoin reclaiming $88,000 resistance and potentially testing $92K by mid-April. If you found this analysis valuable, smash that like button and comment below with your thoughts on these developments. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights that keep you ahead of the crowd. Also, check out our Crypto Pulse Pro newsletter, where we dive even deeper into these market dynamics with actionable trade ideas. Link in the description. This is Moonward Capital, helping you navigate the crypto markets with confidence. Until next time, stay alert and trade smart.